EnjoyHoover.com, standing here with Kevin Witherington of Moe's Original Barbecue. Kevin, tell me a little bit about the hobbies you enjoy.
Well, enjoy working in these stores. Also have gotten into playing some golf and exercising and running. Try to stay in shape.
Are you any good at golf?
No. I get my money's worth.
Good to know. Tell me a little bit about your first job.
My first job was in Franklin, North Carolina. I worked the weekends at a grocery store called Bag Groceries, and great experience.
Good. Well, great. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thanks for letting us talk to you about Moe's Barbecue.
Thank you.